Java syntax, a demonstration on common syntax used in Java programming. What is syntax? The Merriam-Webster dictionary defines syntax as the way in which linguistic elements, as words, are put together to form constituents, as phrases or clauses. More basically put, it means the way words, punctuation, and the like are put together to form something that makes sense. Syntax applied to programming. Though while programming you don't usually use grammatically correct sentences, the Java programming language has its own rules. Some of these rules are put in place not because they are required for the programs to work, but because they help make the code easier to read. Requirements. Few things are required when programming in Java, but without these your programs will not function properly. Every parenthesis, bracket, curly brace, chevron, and quotation mark must have a companion. Each line of code with a function must end in a semicolon. Any comments must be preceded by double forward slashes. Syntax errors. A syntax error is an error of language resulting from code that does not conform to the syntax of the programming language. What this means is that something was written incorrectly, so the program cannot compile. Semicolon. An extremely common mistake when programming is leaving out a semicolon, causing a syntax error. Brackets. Another common mistake when programming is forgetting to close a set of brackets, which will lead to a syntax error. Comments. Comments are very important in reading code, but can only be structured by having a double forward slash. Non-required syntax. Many programmers have been taught to follow a certain convention when it comes to structuring programs. None of these are necessary in making one, but they do make the program easier to read. Classes are named with each word beginning with an uppercase letter. File names are to match the class names. Method names begin with a lowercase letter, but all subsequent words should start with an uppercase letter.